This is Fanimation's Hubbardton Ford ceiling fan with a mahogany finish with a stone glass light cover. It comes with one remote control. Makes it very easy to control the speed of the fan, the direction of the fan blades, and turning the light on and off. The convenience of a remote control. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on low. Not only is this a beautiful fan, but it also is remarkably quiet. On the low speed, I can't hear a thing. Go ahead and turn it on medium. Not even a whisper, I can't hear. And on to high. This fan does deliver quite a breeze. And on high, you can hear just a faint sound. It's a nice, quiet fan. It's a beautiful fan for your bedroom, your family room, your living room, your office. You can easily control it with remote, and by pressing the reverse button, you can reverse the direction of the fan blades. This is very convenient to use in the winter time when you're wanting to bring the heat back down and save on your heating bill. And with the flip of the switch, the light turns off. And again, back on. I'm going to hit the reverse blade button, and that'll take effect as soon as the fan completely stops. And it's reversing. This is the Hubbardton Ford ceiling fan from Fanimation. Visit them at fanimation.com.